Welcome to Classic Klondike Solitaire, and thanks for watching. Today, I'm going to wish you good luck in trying to solve this puzzle. As always, the explanation will be shown in just a minute here. As you can see, there's no more moves left. So the question is, can you figure out a way to solve it? Once again, I'm going to wish you good luck, and go ahead and hit pause if you'd like. In scanning this board here, you may or may not have noticed that there is a 5 of diamonds, which could go up top to the foundation pile, but we can't really do that right now because we need to have 2 red 5s below in order to be able to move the diamond cards up to the foundation pile. To accomplish this, we would need to find a black 6. Which just happens to be right over here. So what we are going to do is take that 6, put it under the 7 of diamonds, and now we can move the 5 of hearts. How exactly does that help? Well, if you remember, there is a 4 of spades right there. We can take that, put it under the 5 of hearts. That allows us to take the 5 of diamonds and put it up to the foundation pile. It also allows us to move the 6 of diamonds up to the foundation pile. Okay, we would like to move the 7 of diamonds next. It's going to be a little complicated. What we're going to do is take the 5 of hearts, move it under the 6 of spades, and of course move the 6 of clubs up top. Now we can move the 7 of diamonds up top to the foundation pile. That'll open up a column. That's a good card because that allows us to move some other stuff around here. What we are going to do next is move this 6 of hearts underneath the 7 of spades. It allows us to move the 7 of clubs up top. And we're basically trying to move as many cards up top as possible to open up the column. We're moving the 7 of spades under the 8 of hearts right there. Now the 8 of diamonds and the 9 of diamonds can go up top, which will open up 2 more columns. There's the 8 of diamonds right there. We're going to play this 10 of spades down. Now we're going to move the 9 of diamonds up top. The ace of hearts can go up top as well. And now we can move the 2 of hearts up. And as you can see, we pretty much solved it right there. And of course, that is going to wrap this up. I am signing out. Thank you for watching, and good luck.